Tired of suffering from acne? Acne marks? Then, this video is for you. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rose Kiachon. Every time I get monthly period, I'm always suffering from acne and acne marks. Kasi nga, tumutubo sila kapag may monthly period ako. That's why I decided to look for a skincare product that could help my skin problem. Until I discovered this Korean skincare product from Kane PH. So this is the Kane Chaga Collagen Charging Serum. This is 30 ml. Ayan, ganyan po siya. Okay. Serum. Tapos, ganito po yung packaging niya. Yan, maganda yung packaging niya. Dito nyo makikita yung lahat ng ingredients and mga detalye na kailangan nyong malaman. This product is recommended for acne-prone skin, acne marks, dry skin, and fine wrinkles due to loss of vitality and elasticity. I use it every morning and evening after cleansing my face. So para mas maprotektahan ng aking skin, I also use this sunscreen from Kane PH. This is the Kane Green Fit Pro Sunscreen with SPF 50+, PA+++. This is perfectly protect our skin from UV rays, and you can apply any amount of this product like this. Ang ganda niya. Wala po siyang white cast. Pwede po siya sa face and sa arms. And also, these two products are FDA approved and one of the trusted brand in the market. So, kailangan magkasama talaga yung kapag may serum ka, syempre dapat may sunscreen ka din. Kasi baliwala ang lahat kung mag-a-apply ka lang ng serum tapos hindi ka naman gumagamit ng sunscreen, di ba? At ito pa, napatunayan ko talaga na effective siya. Alam niyo kung bakit? Dahil 1 week ko pa nga lang siyang ginagamit pero ang laki na ng improvement ng face ko. Hindi man 100% na clear skin pero masasabi ko na hindi ko na kailangan kumapit sa filter para magkaroon ng flawless skin. Ito lang, sapat na. And additional nga pala, before ko i-end yung vlog ko, ito pala ay nabibili sa Watson or you can visit their official store on Shopee and TikTok. Ayan, ipa-flash ko sa screen para makita nyo. So, yun lang. Kung nagustuhan yung video ko, don't forget to like, share, and follow my video. Paalam!